Subscribe now to DK Car Reviews for the most detailed and exciting car content from around the globe. This is DK Car Reviews, where we bring you the latest on top-tier cars, in-depth breakdowns of features, and all the details you need before stepping into your next dream car. Today we dive into the 2026 Volvo XC90, a model that continues to redefine luxury SUV with Scandinavian elegance, advanced safety, and strong performance. The 2026 Volvo XC90 is more than just an update. It is a statement of refined progress. Built on the updated SBA2 platform, this SUV combines plug-in hybrid and full electric powertrains with Volvo's signature safety-first design philosophy. Starting with the exterior, the design is evolutionary rather than revolutionary, staying true to Volvo's minimalist ethos. Clean lines, a bold front fascia with the signature Thor's hammer LED headlights, and a sleeker, more aerodynamic body enhance both aesthetics and efficiency. The front grille is slightly reshaped for improved airflow, while the rear features updated taillights that stretch vertically with dynamic lighting animations. Inside the cabin, the XC90 brings a new level of calm luxury. The interior is inspired by Scandinavian home design with natural materials like wool, real wood, and sustainable leather alternatives. The cabin offers 3 rows of seating, and both legroom and headroom have been slightly improved due to the redesigned floor and battery layout. A new panoramic roof with electrochromic tinting lets you control the amount of sunlight entering the cabin with a simple touch. Technology takes a major step forward in the 2026 XC90. A massive 15-inch vertical touchscreen powered by Google's Android Automotive OS comes standard and integrates Google Maps, Assistant, and Play Store for seamless connectivity. A digital 12.3-inch driver display and a full-color head-up display give clear and precise driving information. Over-the-air updates ensure that the software stays current without visiting a dealership. Wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto are supported, along with a premium Bowers & Wilkins sound system that delivers crystal clear audio throughout the cabin. Performance-wise, the XC90 offers a range of options. The plug-in hybrid T8 Recharge model delivers a combined output of over 450 horsepower, offering quick acceleration with an electric-only range of up to 60 kilometers. For those preferring all-electric driving, the XC90 electric variant uses dual motors with AWD and a battery pack, offering a range of up to 500 kilometers on a single charge. It supports 250 kWc fast charging, allowing the battery to charge from 10 to 80% in under 30 minutes. Safety remains Volvo's cornerstone. The 2026 XC90 introduces new LiDAR-based driver assistance features, improving semi-autonomous highway driving and collision avoidance. It also includes Volvo's latest Pilot Assist blind spot monitoring, lane keeping aid, cross-traffic alert, and a 360-degree camera system for effortless parking. The 2026 Volvo XC90 is a perfect blend of elegance, technology, sustainability, and performance. It is tailored for families and professionals who prioritize safety and comfort without compromising on innovation. For more updates and reviews like this, make sure you hit that subscribe button now and stay connected with DK Car Reviews for the finest auto content.